How to get backup codes on EA. EA backup codes are essential for accessing your EA account if you ever lose your phone or can't receive your two-step verification codes. They are one-time use codes that bypass the standard 2FA prompt. Open your web browser and navigate to the official EA website. Log into your EA account using your email or EA ID and password. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or username and select Account Settings or Account Management from the drop-down menu. For EA Account Settings page, look for the navigation menu on the left side. Select Security, and within the Security section, scroll down until you find the Backup Codes option. Click on View or Get Codes next to this option. EA will then display a list of 10 unique, one-time use backup codes. Save your code securely. These codes are your lifeline. Once you leave this screen or close the browser, you might not easily see them again. Immediately write them down physically and store them in a very safe, private place.